Come here. What do you want? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Why'd you call me over here?
So, my name's Obi. I'm the creator of College Money Habits. I'm here with my twin brother, Chukwuma, and my older sister,
Chetachi.
who you may or may not have seen on the channel or on the Instagram page before. But right now we're just gonna answer some really quick questions about finances and how we think differently about money.
She basically invited here, us here, put us on blast.
Exactly.
Alright.
Well, no, I didn't know what to say. I was just going off. 'Cause I don't have questions. What is the biggest thing you've learned about money? It'll always come back.
Man, I think the biggest thing I learned about money is you can get into debt really fast. I am a law student. I have over $200,000 worth of debt.
Are you kidding me?
Simply from being a law student. And I also have debt from other things, like credit card, which is going to be paid off soon, though, thankfully. I think that's the one thing I learned about money. It's never get paid back. Student loans are in God's hands. But I think, like, you never realize like how big that amount of money is, because you just take out loans every year so you can pay for rent, and then you look at your statement and it's more than you've ever earned in your life. So yeah.
Knowing what you know now, what is one thing that you would tell your younger self to better prepare yourself for the future in regards to, whether it's career, or money, or whatever?
For sure, I wish I would have started investing earlier. I've taken on more of a passive investing style, so I don't really sell stocks so often. Over the pandemic, per se, I've grown my portfolio like $1,000 or something like that. And I don't know, if I had started when we started at 18, I'd be up there with 80,000 in my account, maybe. But but yeah, I started last year, so my accounts are pretty small. But I definitely tend to stress over money less, but I don't get to be on my mind too much. So I have student loans, I pay for rent, and I don't really see it as a burden, but just something that will eventually get paid off, and not something that I have to really stress while I'm young to get rid of, because all work out in the end. But make smart decisions along the way, and you'll be able to pay them off.
I think off the top of my head, I don't know what advice I'd give to my younger self about money, but yeah, I don't know.
It's really rich.
I think something. One thing that, in regards to money, that I wish I had done more of is to use it on experiences. I have focused a lot on saving and investing, and looking back, I think I could have at least used some of it on some experiences, obviously, because you don't get time back. And it's not necessarily a regret of mine, but I've found that in when I think of the best moments in my life, they're things that I've done and not so much things that I've purchased or how much money I have. And so I guess the advice that I'd give to my younger self would be to just take the time to enjoy the little things. And me personally, I've stressed a lot about money in terms of acquiring it, and it's definitely not healthy. And so I think my advice would probably be to try to strike more balance in your life. I've told myself that now, and I still don't do it. But I think that's definitely the biggest thing for me.
I guess if I had to give my younger self a piece of advice, probably something between what they've said. It would be to save instead of spending money on the little things. I've enjoyed life. I travel a lot. I get what I want. But I think I should have saved more, so I wouldn't have to rely so much on like federal loans while I'm in school, or yeah, just that in general. I think I also would have chosen to invest a lot earlier, because I think I could have started out small. I always thought you could have started out big, but I think I could have started out small and just had a lot more wealth in my portfolio at this point. So.
Yeah, if you guys ever have,
Subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
When to synchronize.
if you ever have any questions about investing or getting started, want to know more about how I started, or just want some, really just want your questions answered, feel free to DM me or email me, or however you want to reach me. Feel free to reach out to me, and I will do the best that I can to help you, because I really am passionate about this, and I want everybody to have all their questions answered and be able to get started.
And like, comment, and subscribe. Share, bookmark. You know the deal.
Thank you for watching.
Cut.